Hello guys, today I received this order from online, a Misty Can. It's like this. It has a night light, mini fan, humidifier. It has different colors. This is the specification. And let's see what's inside. Oops, oops, oops. Alright, this is the fan. I'm sorry. Right. So that's the previous. Okay, this much. Alright. Comes with it. Let's open what's inside. Extra filter light, and I believe this is the fan. Yeah, just put together. Sorry, my office is a bit messy. Okay, let's try to open it. So it's like this. Well, texture is really good to touch, and that's the filter inside. Let's add the water to try. There you go. I put just a small amount of water, just good enough to dip, just to dip this one. Usually, you can see from here the water level. You can rise it up until there. Okay, let's put this in, and let's give it a try. I notice when you plug it in, it automatically turns the lights on. It looks really cool. I think this would be nice on the dark. Let's turn it on. Whoa. On the spot. It's quite strong. Let's try the fan on it. Okay, I have assembled this one now, and let's plug it in here on the top side. So I notice what it does. It's redirect, or it suck the mist towards you. See? So the mist is not going anywhere. It will just go directly to you. And I can feel it. It's cold. It's quite nice. Nice and quiet. Let's try the lights on. Stay there. Oop. That's cool. Let's try to turn the lights off. There you go. It's nice. I think I'm gonna use this tonight. I'm working night shift, so this will be good for me. And if you remove this, Oh, it's cool. Then you can make that steady by pressing it hard. There you go. Let's turn the light back on. How cool was that? I really love this humidifier. Very portable. You can put it inside your car. Yeah, it gives you nice and fresh air. And they said this is good for the people who are having allergies, nasal allergies, nasal rhinitis. So I bought this one for my wife. Oh, somebody message. Let me just read that. There you go, guys. It's really nice humidifier, very portable. You can put it in your car. The mist is it's a bit strong. It is really good in your bedroom, to moisturize the air. And well, I'm very satisfied. I think I'm gonna use this all night. Or I'm going to order one more again for the office. And well, thank you for watching. And I'm planning to buy some more items online. And if you want to see more videos, just please click subscribe and the notification button. Someone's calling. Bye for now. Alright, I'm back again. Sorry for that. Yes, please click and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as this is my second YouTube blog. I'm planning to do some more reviews about the products online. Just help me out with the subscribing, please. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate it. Bye for now.